Hello and welcome to the Hacking Web Applications live lessons. My name is Omar Santos. This course is part of the Art of Hacking series of video courses. This course starts with an introduction to web application penetration testing, and then we will go over an overview of web application technologies that are very relevant for security professionals. In this course, you will also learn how to build your own penetration testing lab specifically for web application penetration testing. You will learn how to perform reconnaissance and profiling web applications. You will also learn how to exploit many different vulnerabilities, including authentication, session management vulnerabilities, injection-based vulnerabilities, cross-site scripting, cross-site request forgery, as well as cryptographic implementations. Later in the course, you will also learn how to attack application programming interfaces or APIs, as well as client-side attacks and several additional application security vulnerabilities and attacks. Since we're going to be spending a lot of time together, I would like to actually at least introduce myself. I am a principal engineer of Cisco's Product Security Incident Response team, part of the Security Research and Operations organization. I have been with Cisco for over 19 years and have more than 20 years of experience in cybersecurity. I'm an active member of the security community. I'm also the author of over 20 books and video courses. Well, enough about me. Let's get started.